Yo, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I apologize, I wasn't able to get an upload out yesterday. I had planned a full video. It was fully scripted. I had everything done. I recorded the video. It was about an hour long, and it turns out my camera had an error and stopped recording about halfway through. So, you know, every now and then I'm going to have one of those days, but it was really frustrating for me as a creator because I spent a lot of time on that video and I was trying to get that upload out. And the market, on top of that, the market was actually up 7%. And we haven't seen anything like that in a really long time. So there was a lot of value in there. I'm sorry it didn't go up, but I did post my show notes, at least in my Patreon this morning, in case anyone missed it. This video, we're going to be covering the market, what it's doing today, and what I expect to see in the next coming week. If you guys are a new subscriber, I just want to say welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are enjoying the content, and hopefully we'll be able to provide a continuous good content on this channel so you keep coming back for more. Now, there's a good majority of people watching these videos that still aren't subscribed to the channel. We hit 500,000 subscribers last week. This week, we've done 600,000 subscribers. We might be able to hit that 1 big million subscriber milestone for this channel. So if you guys want to be a part of that journey and you love this type of content, go ahead and subscribe. It's completely free. You don't miss out on anything. And for the most part, this content has been pretty spot on with what the market has been doing lately. So make sure you guys consider doing that. Now, before we go into the computer, I also need to make an announcement with our Patreon because I've been getting a countless amount of DMs. Is it opening up, Brian? What's happening with this? Can I join? I can't join. I want to join. Okay, Friday, 6 p.m. Eastern time, we will be letting a handful of members into the group again. So make sure you set an alarm. You know that day and time. Put it in your calendar because we will be opening it up then. One last thing, if you aren't using a VPN, Surfshark is giving my viewers a special discount, link down below. And if you have any issues not being able to trade crypto in your certain state or country, or you just want a secure virtual private network, check out Surfshark. They are one of the top dogs in the game, and they're providing you with a special discount, 3 months free, 83% off, and you can cancel within 30 days if for some reason you decide that you don't want it. That is linked down below. Now, with all that being said, thank you so much again for tuning by this video. Let's hop into the computer and cover everything you need to know with the crypto market today. All right, guys, so the global crypto market cap is $2.41 trillion today, or a 3.11% decrease over the last day. Yesterday, we had a phenomenal day for anyone who has been paying attention to the crypto market. Like I said, it was up 7% yesterday when I was recording, and I believe that many people, many whales were taking profits, and that's why we're seeing this healthy little decrease back down 3%. So overall, this week is still looking extra juicy, and we'll be covering exactly everything you need to know later on in this video. So it looks like Bitcoin's dominance is currently at 42%. We're seeing this continuing to go down every time we make some of these updates. It goes down further and further and further. We'll talk about exactly what you need to know with accordance to Bitcoin's dominance and whether or not this is something that should be alarming. Okay, so Bitcoin is currently at $54,538 today, or down 4% for the week. Now, Ethereum is down 0.44% for the day, but they're still above that $4,000 resistance mark at $4,100 at the time of this recording, or up 18%. As most of you guys know, we had a little bit of a dip with Ethereum when it went all the way down to 3,600 for a very short period of time. I bought in additional positions at $3,800, and now we have bounced back up very fast over $4,100. Now, some of the big news with regards to Ethereum is going to be gas fees that I'm going to cover in a little bit, what gas fees are, why they're important, and what is happening in the world, because not only are car gas prices going up, it looks like crypto gas prices have been hitting some all-time highs too. So very interesting how we see the overlap within the real physical meta world and then the digital aspect. Mike Tyson. So Dogecoin, oh my goodness, here we are. Dogecoin at 46 cents this week on Wednesday. They're down 6.75% for the day and down 22% for the week. Let me know if you guys are still holding Doge. I am at the moment. I am still bullish on Doge a lot, but we're going to have to definitely see what happens in order to make sure that we don't end up in the red. I may consider taking profits, but whatever I do, I'll be posting inside of our Patreon group and letting you guys know exactly what my strategy is during this time. It looks like we're just going to continue to see massive sell-off with Doge as the hype goes down. Arguably, I feel like Doge is more popular now more than ever, but I feel like the confidence in Doge and the overall sentiment that many people have has reduced significantly because we didn't end up hitting that $1 price target this past Saturday with the Elon Musk SNL show. Now, Cardano is at $1.74. Cardano has really been consolidating over the past few weeks. They are still up 20%, and I'm expecting to see a breakthrough with Cardano in the near future. Polkadot still consolidating, doing the same price action. Internet Computer, or ICP, this has been going down significantly since they got listed on Coinbase and other crypto exchanges in the US. They are now at $289 during the time of this recording. If you did enter ICP, all I'm going to say is hodl or hold on to dear life, because I'm telling you, this is a long-term position that I see a lot of potential in. Now, Bitcoin Cash is down 2% today, or up 4% for the week. It looks like it's cooling off. Litecoin is having a little bit of a pullback as well. Now, Chainlink is down 4.75%. They're at $46 at the time of this recording, and it looks like people are deciding to pull out their profits. But the good thing with Chainlink is we're not seeing huge fluctuations with the cryptocurrency like this. There are always smaller movements, and then we see a little pop to the upside. So Chainlink, still one of my favorite cryptocurrencies, still on my list that I'm looking at very carefully at this time, alongside Uniswap and Stellar. Stellar is going down 5% for the day, but they're still up 15.95% for the week. Ethereum Classic, it looks like it's cooling off as well. People are taking profits, and it is down as well 8%. So is this bad? Is this terrible news? Because we're seeing a lot of red in the market right now, especially with a lot of altcoins. Let me tell you this, you guys, this is not bad news at all. We've been seeing such good, tremendous green days that this is not close to a reset or the end of this market. We're just seeing a nice, healthy consolidation and pullback with some of these cryptocurrencies to build that foundation before we start to really take off. Have we began this true altcoin season yet? I don't want to say that we have. I believe we have so much more potential lined up for the rest of this year. And days like this, I truly enjoy it because it makes me say, hey, we're not in this crazy euphoric market that is just headed to the moon. We're actually seeing natural patterns which allow us to continue to climb up. So what I want to do next is show you some 24% hour increases. Aave, Zcash, Kusama, KSM, Polygon, Matic. They've been doing fairly well on a day like this. Sushi Swap is all on here as well. What we're not seeing is a lot of those meme coins, right? So what we're going to do is go into cryptocurrencies. We're then going to change this to 24% decrease. And we should notice some of these meme coins pulling back. Now, this is why for the past few weeks, I've never recommended Doge or Shiba Inu, and I've considered them all a gamble. They were pumping up drastically, and as fast as these cryptocurrencies begin to rise, we're going to see them fall very drastically too. So today, Shiba Inu down 40%. It is absolutely insane. Yes, the 1 week trend still looks good. Yes, they're still up 1,100%. But do I expect Shiba Inu to continue going to the moon? I think it's going to have a lot of sideways action after this week. I could be completely wrong. This is just my opinion, but that's what I expect with different cryptocurrencies just like this. Now, next thing I wanted to share was some bullish news that I found. Yesterday, we got an announcement that Coinbase overtook TikTok for #1 position on Apple App Store. This is really good news, and it's an indication that there are a lot more newer retail investors getting into the crypto game, and we're just beginning to see that major mass spread adoption towards regular people. So as Coinbase continues to take that #1 spot and the stock market continues to go down, the right play, if you guys are paying attention to Coinbase's direct listing on the stock market, should you have invested into the Coinbase stock, or should you have invested into cryptocurrency directly? It looks like cryptocurrency would have been the right answer to that, regardless of how Coinbase is performing right now. The stock market, our brothers and sisters on that type of investment have been hurting real bad. So if you are into the cryptocurrency space right now, I just want to say congratulations, because you are on the other side of the fence where the grass is truly green and not just an imitation. So I expect we're going to continue to see a very, very good bull market for the rest of the summer. We just have to see what ends up happening, especially with a lot of these meme coins. But my theory is that coins that have a lot of volume from retail investors hopefully that they watch videos like this on YouTube, or they hear from family and friends that, hey, you don't want to invest in those because they are not going to be suitable investments long term that may reap you a significant reward compared to the risk that you may face. So this is why we're looking into other cryptocurrencies that are listed on the top 100 exchange that are not considered meme coins, that have fundamentals, that have strong use cases, and those are the coins that we constantly talk about on this channel. So if you have been watching this content, you enjoy the stuff that I'm saying, let me know down below, guys. I always appreciate that. Okay, so something else that I wanted to show you guys here was the market cap dominance. So earlier in this video, we talked about Bitcoin's dominance going down to 42%. So we are entering some record days. Check this out. The dominance has not gone this low since about 2018. It has gone low, and the lowest that we've seen in the history of cryptocurrency was about 37%. So what this means is if the money's not going into Bitcoin and it's going into any other cryptocurrency on the market, that's what dominance is. So seeing the Bitcoin dominance go down, good news for retail investors like us. There are theories that as much as the Bitcoin dominance goes down, we're going to get closer to the reset of this market cycle. I don't believe that's the case in this situation. I do see a pullback happening later in the fall, but I don't think it's going to be nearly as bad as what we saw in 2017 and 18. The more money that flows out of Bitcoin and the more money that enters other altcoin projects, the more price increases that we're going to see due to the market volume. So this is really good news if you guys have entered any of these positions. I'm just holding on right now, trying to figure out what my next move is, especially on the days that we see red, like a little bit of what we have seen today. So something else that we need to mention is the Ethereum gas fees. So it says on this article title, Doge imitators help send Ethereum transaction fees to all-time highs. As Shiba Inu and other doggedly chased Doge's success, Ethereum transaction fees are running away with them. So if you have been using Ethereum's network for any type of product or service, you will be noticing some higher gas fees lately. Now, I saw this Twitter thread right here, and this guy was just pretty much complaining about how a lot of these meme coins are coming in and wrecking the Ethereum gas fees market. Now, although I do believe it is a concern that we should have, especially since we have not yet seen Ethereum 2.0, I really don't want all this FUD centered around Ethereum and how it can't handle a lot of this just because some newer altcoins were getting listed. So I went ahead and found a chart right here showing us the Ethereum average gas price for the last month, 3 months, 6 months, or even the last 1 year. So as you can see on your screen, although in the past month, Ethereum's gas fees have been going to an all-time high. If we take a step back, take another step back, and another step back even further, Ethereum's gas fees are nowhere near the super all-time highs that we've seen earlier this year. Now let's go to the 5-year. We've even had one day where Ethereum gas fees had an average of $939. So check this out. In comparison to what we've seen since 2020, although it is still pretty high, I wouldn't consider this anything astronomical. And knowing that this is happening as a result from all the alternative coins being listed to the market, especially after Dogecoin's failed performance this past Saturday, I feel like this is all just regular news. I would hold off on making any type of purchases through the Ethereum network unless you're really trying to enter some positions right now and you desperately have to. The gas fees are high, but I do see it settling down, especially since a lot of these altcoins are beginning to slow down. And I do believe that the meme coins are gonna have a hard reset. So if you are invested into it, like I always say, do not get greedy with your positions. Make sure that you take your profits out. There is nothing wrong with investing, making money, and then knowing when to pull out. I feel like a lot of people are just continuing to wait to see what's going to happen, see if they can 10x, 100x, 1000x their investment. In reality, you don't have to risk all of your money like that. Make a small 10x, make something even less than that, pull your money out, know where to invest it next, and I'm telling you, over time, that's going to compound. You don't have to YOLO your life savings. So you can slowly start dollar cost averaging your investments into these trades and be completely fine. Like always, don't forget to check out Surfshark. Link down below if you want all the tools in your belt to become a pro crypto trader and protecting yourself first. If you don't have a cold storage wallet, pick one up with Ledger. Link down below in the description, and pick up your 2 free stocks with Webull, where you can trade both crypto and stocks, where one of those could be valued up to $1,850 after you deposit $100 into the app. Now guys, thank you so much again for watching. Don't forget to comment today's code for the video, and that is going to be Perfect. Have a great day, guys. Thank you so much again for tuning by, and hopefully I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.